We've heard your request, and we're going back to doing only SEO audits. The first SEO audit is on Pratha Ayurvedic, your path to holistic wellness. So it's just a one-page site. So the first thing that we're going to do into Moz. Upon copy-paste into Moz, we find that there's no results, which means that there's a low domain authority and low keywords. A tool called SEMrush. This company is out of India, so we're going to click on India and we're going to look at some of the factors. Go to overview, we see there's 5 keywords, 277 traffic, 0 branded traffic. We go to the keywords itself, we have a little bit of a problem. The URL doesn't link to any of those keywords. Most of these keywords have low volume as well. For example, best gastroenterologist in Tirunelveli has traffic of 122, a keyword difficulty that's pretty low of 16, a volume of 260, which is pretty low, but it's not linking to their website. We want to look for some of these keywords, like maybe some of these extract oils, Pratha Ayurvedic. In our SEO audit, we're going to post some of the following. Number 1, you have 0 ranking keywords. So what we want to do is we want to create a keyword list. We go to our keyword list, and this is for YouTube videos, but it also can be applied to Ahref. We see Ayurveda. It does have a keyword difficulty of hard, but it has a volume of 10K. We have what to avoid when taking glutathione. We have the Ayurveda experience and Ayurveda experience site. We can add the word Ayurveda experience or the Ayurvedic experience. This can help with gaining the keyword and also growing the website. With a search volume of 1,000. SEMrush, well, we find that the volume is not close to 1,000 for anything except for GammaCom, which again is on gamma.site, which is not his URL, and has a high keyword difficulty. These are some of the objectives that we want to do for the website. We want to increase the SEO by building backlinks. This can be done by signing up to be a provider on the Merlin Group's website and being able to showcase his blogs, written and video content. On the Ayurveda page, we can showcase some of his information. Something like he can post their mission, something like the best extracts and oils, and then having these each link back to his website. Finally, we want to work to add content by integrating content marketing by using social media like YouTube or other video to showcase who he is and what he does and how these Ayurvedic plants can help people. Well, that's a brief overview on how to give an SEO audit for the website Pratha Ayurvedic. Make sure to subscribe.